Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best the word at work is probably one of the most essential tools for any professional looking to enhance their communication and productivity in a modern workplace, offering a seamless blend of innovative features and user-friendly design that caters to a wide range of business needs and individual requirements. Number 5. Word Magnets Essential Kit for Fridge Poetry. Introducing the essential kit of word magnets, your all-in-one solution for endless fun and creative expression on your refrigerator. It's designed to spark your imagination and bring your words to life. With a massive collection of 797 magnetic word tiles, you'll have more than enough to craft intricate fridge poems and express yourself fully. This kit offers a richer experience compared to limited starter sets. This comprehensive set includes alphabet headers, punctuation, prefixes, suffixes, and even blank tiles to personalize your creations. All it needs is your unique creativity to make something amazing. Experience the joy of fridge poetry, where unexpected creations and surprising depth emerge from the words available. Share your witty poems and jokes with family, friends, or co-workers, and let them join in the fun. Enjoy years of creative play with these durable magnets designed to stay put. The lettering is fade-resistant and legible, ensuring your magnetic masterpieces last. These tiles are compatible with most other magnetic word sets, opening up a world of possibilities. You can easily expand your collection with our themed kits for even more wordplay adventures. What we like. This kit is fully loaded with nearly 800 magnetic words, offering a vast vocabulary for creative expression. It also includes helpful alphabet headers and punctuation to organize your thoughts. If you're looking for the most comprehensive word magnet set to unleash your inner poet or comedian, this is the one for you. What people say. The Poetry Tiles Essential Kit has a lot of words compared to most other magnetic word sets. It's got a wide variety of words. The quality is good. The sheets of words snap apart pretty easily, and I didn't damage any of them during the separation process. Good variety of everyday and poetic words to string together sentences. Magnetic power is a little on the weak side, but not too bad. It's got loads of words and additional A, B, C, D magnets. Lots of punctuation. Even LY-S endings. Number 4. Crocs Women's Mercy Work Clogs. Introducing the Crocs Women's Mercy Work Clogs. Designed for ultimate comfort and reliable slip resistance, these shoes are perfect for your demanding workday. Navigate your workplace with confidence. These clogs feature advanced slip-resistant technology to keep you steady on your feet, no matter the surface. Experience the difference that true comfort makes. Their ergonomic design supports your feet throughout long shifts, reducing fatigue. Built to last, these work shoes are also incredibly easy to clean. Simply wipe them down to keep them looking and feeling fresh. Make them your essential footwear for any job. They offer the perfect blend of functionality, safety, and the signature Crocs comfort you love. What we like. Designed for demanding work environments, these clogs feature slip-resistant soles to keep you safe on your feet. Their comfortable design ensures you can wear them all day without fatigue. If you need reliable and comfortable footwear for a job that requires you to be on your feet, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These are the only ones that allow me to stay on my feet for hours with no pain. I can work a long shift and at the end my feet and back don't hurt and no muscle spasms. The slip-resistant sole is fantastic. I walk through standing water and spills all the time and have yet to slip. Number 3. Office Suite 2025 Edition CD/DVD. Introducing Office Suite 2025 Edition, the comprehensive software package designed for all your office needs. It's perfect for word processing, spreadsheet analysis, and creating presentations. Experience full compatibility with Microsoft Office Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You can work on your existing documents without any issues. This edition comes with a bonus of 20,000 pictures and 1,000 fonts, adding extra value to your creative projects. Enjoy perfect integration with your Windows operating system. It's designed for a smooth and intuitive user experience. It is suitable for a wide range of Windows versions, including Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, Vista, and XP, in both 32 and 64-bit. Installation is fast and simple, and navigating through its features is incredibly easy. Get started with your productivity tasks right away. What we like. This Office suite offers complete compatibility with Microsoft Word and Excel, ensuring a seamless transition for your documents. It also comes with a generous bonus of 20,000 pictures and 1,000 fonts to enhance your projects. If you need a cost-effective alternative to Microsoft Office that works perfectly with your existing files and supports a wide range of Windows versions, this suite is ideal. What people say. Office Suite 2019 not only opens those older files instantly, it creates good-looking new ones as well, text, database, and spreadsheets. It arrived on time and installed in Windows 10 within minutes. It opens my older MS Word and Excel files, and lets me edit and save them, in the original format or OpenOffice's preferred format. This Apache OpenOffice has many programs on it, and for the low price it comes on a disk. Number 2. Things I want to say at work but can't. Coloring book. Feeling stressed at work? Wish you could express your true feelings without consequence? This adult coloring book is your perfect outlet. When deadlines loom and meetings drag, find solace in these pages. It's a fun and creative way to blow off steam. Each page offers a unique design to color, allowing you to focus and de-stress. Let your creativity flow and your worries fade away. Looking for a gag gift for a coworker or a friend? This book is sure to bring laughs and a much-needed release. Keep your thoughts private and your stress levels low. It's the perfect companion for your commute or a quiet moment alone. Life at work can be tough, but it doesn't have to be humorless. This book provides a light-hearted way to cope with the daily grind. What we like. This unique coloring book provides a fun and cathartic way to blow off steam with its humorous and expletive-filled phrases. It's designed for adults seeking a light-hearted escape from workplace frustrations. If you enjoy coloring and need a good laugh or a way to vent your daily annoyances, this book is perfect for you. What people say. Plus coloring is therapeutic. Healthy release of anger and frustration producing healthy conversation or at least laughter. I like the idea it's what we're thinking and can't say. I got it just to color and relax. Number 1. Business as usual. Are you tired of the same old routine? Do you want to break free from the ordinary? It's time to embrace a new way of doing things. This is not just another product, it's a revolution in how you approach your daily tasks. We're here to help you redefine what's possible. Imagine a world where challenges are opportunities and every day is a chance to achieve more. We provide the tools to make that vision a reality. Our solution is designed to fit effortlessly into your existing workflow. Experience enhanced productivity without the disruption. Stay ahead of the curve with technology that adapts to your needs. Invest in a future where your business thrives, no matter the circumstances. Discover the power of efficiency and innovation. We help you achieve your goals with unparalleled ease and effectiveness. What we like. This item offers a humorous take on the daily grind of the corporate world, perfect for a chuckle. It's designed to resonate with anyone who has experienced the ups and downs of office life. If you're looking for a funny gift for a colleague or a lighthearted read that captures the essence of office dynamics, this is a great pick. What people say. Most people know Men at Work for their hit single Down Under, and for good reason, and possibly for their other top 100 singles Who Can It Be Now and Be Good Johnny. These 3 songs are great 80s rock tunes that alone make the album worthy of a purchase. Its 3 hits move it up from a 4 to a 4.5, it's also a kind of unique album musically, it's mostly jazz blues influenced rock but it has a little new wave thrown in. Ottimo Sound, CD con incisione perfetta per il primo e imperdibile album della grande band australiana. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.